Hello, my name is Raymond Richardson, and I am applying for the PE job at your high school. Today I will be going through my portfolio that I did in college. We'll be talking about the four SDs and the four Cs, which are creative, collaborator, communicator, and critical thinker. Um, for the first thing, we will be talking about my UDL choice board. My UDL choice board is a way for my students to creatively communicate clearly and express themselves through a variety of platforms such as recording a video, drawing a picture, filling out a log, writing down steps, taking a quiz, or explain something. Um, this allows my students to design a way or an assignment that I have assigned to them and give them options on how they want to express themselves. The next thing I want to go to is my storyboard. My storyboard is a part of the designer because my students will be designing a storyboard which expresses themselves through pictures, captions, headings, titles about the assignment that we were talking about. It allows them to create something in a group or by themselves. Um, this takes a part of the learning opportunity. It allows students to collaborate with each other, see what they're thinking about, critically think, and come together as a group or as an individual. The last thing I want to go to is my infographic. My infographic goes with the standards of SC Standard 2.2 and SC Standard 2.3, which are leader and citizen. An infographic is a way to express and explain something. So this one is about fake news. This one talks about how you can see what websites are credible or what sources are credible. Um, it allows my students to understand and create and design something to be a legal, safe citizen and designer so that other people in the world know what fake news is or whatever they're talking about. Um, I plan on using this in physical education because I can use an infographic so my students can know what the muscles are, what the bones are in the body. Just a way so my students can put information out there by designing um, and communicating and such with pictures and info about the topic. Um, hopefully, I get to see you soon, and thank you for watching my video about my portfolio and the 4 C's and the SD standards.